Uncle Chris smells so good. Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's late at night, the night before New Year's Eve, and I'm going to show you how to cook up a pot of good luck. In other words, black-eyed peas. They're supposed to bring good luck for the new year. Now, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way. We're not going to use the dried beans. We're going to use the canned black-eyed peas you get from the food pantry. And I'm going to show you how to make them taste like they cooked all day like the regular ones. And I know what you're thinking. How's he going to do that? Well, I'm going to show you. Here we go. All right, I've got 4 cans of black-eyed peas from the food pantry. I've taken 1 onion and quartered it all up, okay? I've also taken 1 ham hock, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some green seasoning I have left over. What did he say? Yes, green seasoning. Now, first step. I got some water boiling. Woohoo! Now, if you want to, you can add chicken stock, but we are keeping it simple. I didn't have no chicken stock left over anyway. All right. First things first. I am going to get my utensil. Where did I put it? I'm going to put in my ham hock, okay? And I'm going to let this boil for at least an hour, if not 2 hours, okay? Let that cook down so that it becomes soft, all right? And like it wants to fall apart. I'm also at this time going to put in at least a teaspoon of onion powder. At least, if not a tablespoon. Now I'm only going to put in a teaspoon of garlic because you don't want to overdo the garlic because it'll take over the whole dish. But we are, because I'm going to make these taste southern, put a whole, almost tablespoon full of black pepper, and I'm going to put the remainder of my green seasoning in here. That'll add some more smoky taste to it. Now at this time you can put your onions in because what you're making is a base for your beans to go in so they will taste tasty. Now we're going to go over to the sink. Now what we're going to do is put our black-eyed peas from the can into a colander, okay? We're not going to use the juice from the can because we don't want them mushy. No. We're going to rinse our beans off. All right. We're going to let these drain and go back over to our boiling water. Now that our beans have drained off, we're going to test the meat and see if it's ready. No, it's not. Okay. But stir it around. Oh, make sure it smells right because this is like your roux. This is your base for your beans. Now I'm going to put the top on and let this boil for at least an hour. And like I said, I wish there could be smell-o-vision because this is smelling right. Okay. We're going to be right back. Okay, nieces and nephews, it's been 2 hours. And wow, look at that. Oh, the meat is starting to be soft. Oh, look, see, tongs went through it. Now I put our black-eyed peas in so they absorb the wonderful flavor of all of this right here. All right, we're going to let them cook for at least another 30 minutes. I'll come back and check them. If they're done, I will let them cool down and rest overnight. And by tomorrow, when all the flavors combine, it will taste like these cooked all day. All right, be right back. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at how these look now. Oh, nieces and nephews, I couldn't help myself. I added some red pepper flakes. You know how it is. These are going to be delicious tomorrow. I said it once and I said it twice. I wish there was smell-o-vision. Oh, yes. Oh, please check out Crazy Adventures with Coco, the Weeping Willow, and the Wandering Hippie. You know, they have wonderful channels. And, of course, Mama Bird. I'll put links down below, okay? All right, you all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Happy New Year to everyone. Good luck to in the new year. May we have a better year. And I look forward to some more videos with you all. All right? Like, comment, and subscribe. This is your Uncle Chris. Big love.